Everything we've been told about oral hygiene is being challenged. For decades, the dogma was simple: kill 99.9% of bacteria. But according to a breakthrough 2021 study published in the prestigious journal Nature, this sterilization approach might be exactly why your dental problems won't go away. Your mouth isn't a floor to be bleached. It's a delicate ecosystem. When you use harsh, alcohol-based mouthwashes, you aren't just killing the bad germs, you are wiping out the beneficial bacteria that actually protect your enamel and gums. The research shows that the real secret isn't more killing, it's more balance. By repopulating your mouth with specific, healthy probiotic strains, you can support your body's natural ability to repair itself. Stop fighting your biology and start supporting your microbiome. Click the link in the description to see the full clinical breakdown of the Nature study and the next step in dental health.